One big benefit to a portable hot tub is that the water is always hot and ready for your enjoyment. Of course, running a hot tub requires energy, so it should be no surprise that your electric bill will go up. However, certain hot tub features improve your energy efficiency and can minimize this cost of operation. Your heater, pump, insulation, and custom fit cover are all part of the same system working to keep your water at an optimal temperature. High-end hot tubs in the premium and luxury tier are very good at efficiently maintaining your spa's temperature, requiring a low continuous expenditure of energy. While it may be less expensive up front to purchase a hot tub with a low-quality heater, pump, or installation, you'll pay more in high electrical bills over the life of the spa. With more than 1 million spas sold, Hot Spring has more hot tubs and backyards than any other brand. During wintertime, especially in cold climates, your hot tub will have to work harder to maintain its temperature. Your electric bill will rise correspondingly. The degree of this rise will be exaggerated in low-end hot tubs with poor components and insulation. Higher quality hot tubs will show less of a difference. Check out all our other videos. And your local authorized Hot Spring dealer is ready to answer questions specific to your region, your costs, your experience. Please don't hesitate to give them a call, okay?